Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at our birdhouse gourds. Alright, now I didn't treat this area with any black walnut hull powder for nematodes, the root knot nematodes, so I'm constantly monitoring this location and the leaves of these plants to see if they actually start to take hold here. As it stands thus far, I don't see a sign of them. Now, the soil itself is just sand and like a lasagna layering of oak leaves and detritus. So that goes down about 14 inches, maybe a little more. I don't remember how deep I dug this one, but it was at least 14 inches. Now, as you can see up here, I just now am seeing this for the first time. We actually have some production, and this is exactly what I want. So you see, this birdhouse gourd is in the shape of like a birdhouse. Very small at this point, but this is this is so awesome. I call this on my way to success, but not there yet. We got to get a full birdhouse gourd at least from this grow experiment over here. This is amazing because I couldn't get these guys to grow for the longest time, and here we are. So amazing. Progress is great. Look at the trellising system that I have set up. It's so cheap, so cheap. These ropes are like 100-foot ropes, but you get them at Home Depot for about $5 something each. $5, not very much. But these are your main lines for the trellising, right? I hold them up with to stabilize them and keep them in place. I put a nail up on a palm tree stem or trunk. Now, between here, I've stopped using polyethylene and polyurethane strings because they get brittle so fast. I started using this, it's like a welder's twine. It's aluminum. It costs about 20 bucks for a roll, but it's really all I could find in the way of aluminum. And it will last a lot longer than that polyethylene and polyurethane type stuff. So here we are in the midst of some success, basking in the fruits of our labor, but we're not quite successful yet. We really want to just watch this and monitor and make sure that we can get a yield by the end of the year. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I will keep you updated on the progress of our birdhouse gourds, or shall I say gourd. Have a great day.